Oh my god. You guys have no idea how long this took to set up and to get working. Right, hi guys, welcome back to another video where today we're doing a new game and I'm trying it. I don't even know if it's gonna work. But I played other games in this game series, so, and it was good. So today we're playing Ratchet and Clank Nexus for the PS3, which you guys literally have no idea how long that took to set up and to get working. It was ridiculous. Took me like a couple days, like forever, to get it to work. But now it works, we can play it. I've never played this game before. Some of the games on this channel I have played before or watched people play before, so this is the first. I've never seen people play it. I really hope it's not weird. And yeah, so let's get into it and let's see how it goes. Adjust until you can see all three Q-Force logos. 3? There's only 2. Oh, so, okay. I'm gonna have it a bit higher than it's supposed to be. I haven't got any trophies or anything yet, so yeah, and there's like a ton, so I haven't got them yet. Right, new game. Oh my god. I'm not going for that one because that one's stupidly impossible. I'll just go for hero because it's normal mode. And there better not be a cutscene to start off. I hate cutscenes, so there's a cutscene. There's also noise. This is a prison. I didn't really read any of the instructions or anything. Oh look. This game looks awful. I'm sorry.
Well, you were right. We must have picked up some Terra tropes when we flew through the asteroid belt. What do you think?
Oh my god, it's making weird noise.
No, sorry.
Are they replaced voice actor?
You simply need to recouple the ion converter.
All right, let's get to it.
Does that look okay on the... Oh my god, it won't shut up. Oh my god, why does that look so good on my TV? Not my TV, my other thing.
Incoming holocom from Talwyn. Hey, Ratchet.
Talwyn? She's dying.
No oxygen. Light flashing before my eyes.
Oh, you stupid idiot.
Everything okay?
Oh,
Yeah, that was my bad.
that's so stupid.
Piloting through an asteroid field, we will deliver the prisoner to the Vortex Detention Center in approximately 2 hours.
2 hours?
Take her out of cryosleep now. The faster you turn her over to the Vortex guards, the better.
Oh, are you worried about us?
Vendra Prague
No.
isn't like the other criminals.
I'm not worried about me.
She's cold and empty in a way I've never seen. Promise me you won't go near her without Cronk and Zephyr, okay?
We'll check in with them right now. I've got everything under control, Tal. Don't sweat it.
Lower that down a little bit. That's better. Now my camera. Oh, why does it keep doing that to me? Am I gonna play?
I believe Cronk and Zephyr are still on the bridge.
10 volts say they fell asleep
I
again.
haven't listened to a word you've said. Oh, it's working. Okay, there's no noise, which is a bit weird.
Oh, great. Who put these here?
I don't care.
Oh, look how cute they are. We should wake them up.
What did you just say? Oh, you're talking about those guys. I didn't realise.
Yeah, what is it? Is Tachyon back?
No.
Morning, Cronk.
What's happening? Are we under attack?
Hey, Zeph.
Don't think
Sleep
so.
well? Rise and shine, fellas.
God, it's
Time to
lagging.
wake up Vendra Prague.
Now, come on.
Okay. Oh God, who are you?
Kidnapping all those arachnoids, hurting all those helpless citizens.
Oh, wait, this is aim mode.
Hello there. Now I hear you're escorting Vendra Prague to the...
Plumber. Oh, we're going to a cutscene. Okay. Right, turn that down.
Hang back while Clank and I wake up Vendra.
Deactivating cryosleep on
Why?
prisoner 9971. Prague. Vendra. Please stand by.
I don't care. It looks so bad.
Fluctuation detected. Power fluctuation detected.
Uh-oh.
It's her.
No.
I knew this was a bad idea.
Wasn't his idea. Okay. What do I do?
Everyone okay? Where are you guys?
What?
I'm here, Rook.
Use R to look up.
I see ya. Hang on, Kronk. Zap, are you in here?
Down here.
Why is vertical
We must find a med.
there? There. Right, it's doing it now. L1 and aim at the mag surface. Is that it? X to grab
Better get to
the...
the containment wing and make sure
Oh,
Vendra's locks are still
God.
engaged. You guys gonna be okay?
We'll be fine. You go ahead. Clank and I'll work on restoring gravity.
What am I supposed to... Oh, there we go. Now what? Oh my God, it's lagging. What am I supposed to do? Oh. I didn't want to shoot it. Wait, hold on. Does that sound effect kind of sound like, you know when you click on something on the Wii? It's like, you're like going like, ooh, and you click on something. Oh, I know what that is. That's an upgrade thing.
We will need to do something about those hydraulic locks.
Omni Blaster should take care of them. Hang on.
Omni. What language is that in? Oh my God, he's trying to eject us into the stratosphere. Oh. Bye. Oh, where's the two Wait, 2 bullets on this thing? And why are we dying?
You okay?
Yeah. I think it's safe to say Vendra's proton now.
You tried to click on something on the Wii and it doesn't let you.
I think we should have woken her up, Rook. What she can do, well, it's not normal.
Just get that gravity generator running. Clank and I can handle a few asteroids.
Clink? Okay. Didn't, Oh no, it's gonna kill me. Get to safety. Sidestep.
The thrusters are on a separate system. I'll see if I can hack in and shut them down.
Okay.
Initiating temporary shutdown.
Just do it.
Go,
Okay.
Rook. Nice work. Okay, get ready for the next one.
Why is he so old?
Initiating temporary shutdown on thruster 2. Now.
Let me go. Oh.
Okay, last thruster. You're hacking the wrong system.
Do it.
Thermodynamic propulsion matrix.
Do it. 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 Do it.
Okay, got it.
5? Okay. Wait, I know what that is. That's... Oh, health. I keep thinking it's not health.
Lock secure.
Okay. Can I...
Zap, she's tapped into the PA system.
Great, I didn't notice that. Okay, open up. I want you to die. Press X again to attach to a mag surface. Oh, okay. So you can, it's just... What's going down? Go to it. Okay.
Now that's no fun. Oh well. I'll just have to think of a few new ways to kill you.
You're not gonna kill me, idiot. No. No, let's not. Okay, they're dead. Okay, and we're back to gaming.
Containment wing unlocked.
Containment wing. I'm not a prisoner. You are die. Maximum security. Maximum security. Is that her?
Oh, you made it. Come on in.
That's her. She looks like Midna with 3 eyes.
We're just here for the proton field.
You're not afraid of little old me, are you? Not after all you've done.
Come on. Oh.
That seemed a bit too easy. Let's have some fun.
But come on. No. Right. No. L1 and that. Comet. Comet? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Can I not throw it that far? Can I not just get it? L1. Where's... It's over there. Come on, idiot. I've got it. No.
Proton field restored.
Okay. She's still in there, though.
Good job, rookie. Clank and I have rerouted the power to an external generator. It'd be a real help if you could activate it for us. It's outside the ship.
Why do I have to do everything for you?
Bye, Ratchet. I'll see you soon.
I'll see you hopefully never again. Because you suck. Wait, is this out? I don't want to die. Ugh. What's these things?
Activating backup generator.
To turn the bolt thing, okay. And that did...
Excelsior!
Oh.
Gravity is restored.
Well, luckily for us, there's another freaking cutscene. That looks so good on that recorder.
Sir, we are within striking distance of the
Who's that? It's a crocodile.
Fire Omni rockets on my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark.
Gonna have to mute that because I'm gonna have to mute that. Oh my god, no! The hell was that? Idiot! Right, come on. Go already. I can throw it.
Airlock secure.
I don't even... Right. Oh wait. I can go. Give me as many of these things as you can, because I want them all. Stupid, right. What on earth is that? Oh, it's a bomb glove, okay. Bomb. Open, right. Lots of lag, lots of lovely lag. How do I have 4,000 of these things? What's going on? Oh god. Die. God. There's more of you? Ow, I lost health. Oh my god. Oh, what? No ammo? Right, I want all that. Right. Okay, cool. There's more of these guys. Why are there more? Right, give me health, give me health. Oh my god, I don't care. Right. It's Bane. X then X again. X then X again. X. X. It killed me. Didn't give me a chance. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay. No, really? Die. Don't care. Oh my god, he died. What on earth is that? Oh, it's okay. Stop it, you don't deserve a gun. Oh my god. Okay. Oh! Just die. There's one bullet left. I'm sorry, I just got another weapon. How do I switch? Oh wait, that was it. Give me a bomb. I killed him, but I'm nearly out of weapon. I'm out of weapon. Right, it's okay. Okay, I've got everything back, sort of. Oh my god, what are they doing? Oh, there's more of them. Don't put bombs. I'm out. I'm out. Is there anything I can get? Oh my god, no.
6 months?
6 months.
Left me in here for 6 whole months?
6 months?
This wasn't easy, you know. I had to bribe elected officials for the ship's location, coordinate a galaxy-wide crime wave, hire extra muscle.
You
I don't
are the
care.
muscle. Or at least you're supposed to be.
Doesn't matter. God. He's frozen. In time and space.
Universe looks at you and sees a hero. But do you know what I see? A coward. Someone who lost the guts to find his race.
He's the only one left from what I remember.
Let us out of here, you darn witch!
Give me the detonator.
They're just a couple of old warbots. Isn't killing everyone a little...
A little what?
Stupid.
Goodbye, Ratchet.
Bye-bye. Thought it would be a bit more explosive. Why'd it break? We are gonna die. We're dead. End of game. Roll credits. Why is it so like FMV or whatever? Well, that's not going anywhere, so I'm stuck here. They said keep moving, right? Go! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Stop trying to kill me! Die, idiot. I need my... Shut up. No, it hasn't.
Ratchet, look out!
Shut up. Level up, I don't care. I'm fighting people right now. Oh. Why are there 3 of you? Oh my god, I got another upgrade. I need to run. Go, okay. Not dead yet, not dead. I won't die.
He's got nowhere to go. Stand by. I'm gonna ram him.
Where? He's not gonna... Wait, I need to get on there. What are you doing? I don't know if that's gonna... No! What is he doing? Okay, ready? 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 Go! I'm on, I'm on. What do I do now? Another cutscene? There's a cutscene every 12 minutes. I got a thing.
Space kill, sir. We got it.
Don't. No, we don't. That's the game? It's not, that's just the beginning of the game. That's just the beginning of the game. That was just the beginning? This is kinda cool. Oh my god, they're dropping us. Okay. Why?
Ratchet, are you in there?
I'm not coming out.
Why is he staying in there?
Shouldn't have let them take on the twins without us. I should have told
Okay.
them to evacuate.
We cannot dwell on what we should have done. Some things are simply out of our control. Would you like me to tell her?
No.
I'll do it.
Finally, someone actually agrees with me.
Ratchet, are you okay? Your nav unit has you all the way in the Zarkov sector.
We lost them. We lost Clank and Zephyr.
You lost them?
Yeah, they're in Moscow somewhere, I'm pretty sure.
So sorry.
The Zarkov sector was abandoned 20 years ago, after it was given an Alpha 9 classification.
What is Alpha 9?
It means haunted. The president evacuated the
You've
entire
got to be
sector
kidding me.
practically overnight. And get this, Vendra and Neftin are listed among the evacuees.
Am I supposed to? No.
We have to find a way out of this valley.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, great.
Do that?
Earthquakes.
Are you sure?
Oh, that's cool.
There's no record of Yarrick ever having a single quake.
Doesn't. Oh my god. This thing needs to stop making clicking noises. Otherwise I'm gonna have to find another way for... Sorry, what the hell is that?
Clank? Did you see that?
See what?
Nothing. Just nothing.
Oh, what's in here? I didn't know I could do that. What did I collect? Raritanium ore. How did you guys know that I was here? You said that while you were dead. Maybe these rumours are true. Do you know what it is? I don't think my game's actually lagging. I think it's just not great. Why does it look better on the recorder than it does on here? It's so weird. Why does it remind me of Millhouse?
I'll have to show you how to use it. It's a bit complicated for you.
It sounds like Millhouse.
Fire a grav blast on this grav target.
And then no.
I think you're getting the hang of it. Now, shoot that grav target over there to create a grav stream.
Where do I shoot it? Oh, what, over there? Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. It's like, no! Oh, you're an idiot.
If you want to destroy a grav stream, just fire your grav tether at it.
It's dead.
See? Even a single-brained organism can do it.
I'm sorry? You're calling me single-brained? I'm not stupid. You're stupid. It destroyed. It died on its own. This is cool. Wait, why'd I come back here?
I am surprised you are so quick to hop into a sewer.
Those two killed Cronk and Zephyr.
What?
I don't care where we have to go.
Okay, how the hell? Oh wait, no. It does not say. It does not say. It never says. I didn't go in here.
Tal, this planet is crawling with.
Oh my god, it's a really.
Welcome to the GrummelNet Weapon Shop. Your go-to store for weapons, ammo, and upgrades.
Oh my god. I want this thing. Oh, of course I want the most expensive. How the hell? Oh. Oh wait, am I supposed to go in there? Wait. Because there's something over there. There better be something over here. I don't want to waste my time. It's just a waste of time. It's probably a waste of time. It's probably a waste of time. Am I supposed to go this way? Oh my god. Right. You guys with guns need to die. No. Wouldn't it be smart if I just took? I think I went the wrong way. You can create more than one grav stream at a time. Idiot. Right, no. No. Wait. Can I go the other way? Oh, there we go. I'm not stupid. I'm not stupid.
I hear we got a trespasser.
Huh?
Remember, there's a
Idiot. Change the weapon. I'm out. I'm completely 100% out of weapons right now. Get me in there. Get me in. Where's the other thing? Oh, there it is. It's down there. Yes. No. Get to that thing. Get to that weapon. My god, right. Okay. Is he... okay. Okay. I don't care, let me through. What on earth are you? No.
Cutthroat parolee and all ne'er-do-well. Then come on down to the Thugs Molest Destructipalooza. In early place of our esteemed enforcers.
Do I have to do something?
I was robbing old ladies for chump change.
Do I have to...
Now, I'm a functional member of a dysfunctional...
Haven't changed.
Thanks,
You haven't changed.
As a kid, I used to pick up my classmates for free. Now I'm doing it professionally.
Again, you haven't changed. Getting worse.
Thanks, Destructipalooza.
Before Destructipalooza, I was CEO of a respectable mutual fund and brokerage firm. Now I prey on the innocent for a living because the economy is in the shit.
Destructipalooza. No rules, no regulations.
Okay.
Just one basic principle.
I'm gonna leave it here. If you guys enjoyed, then like, subscribe, and whatever, and I'll probably come out with another part on this game. In the description of this video, I'm going to leave the thing for the HDCP, the HDCP stripper, whatever it's called, if I can get it. This is it, guys. This is the oh my god, wait. That's recording that. So yeah, this is the thing, guys. That's my PS3. It goes in there with the power, and then it comes out. That one goes to my TV. That one goes to my recorder. And yeah, that's literally it. And it works. And it strips the HDCP and whatever. Yeah, but if you guys enjoyed this video, then like, subscribe, and whatever. I'll probably come out with another thing on this video at some point. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, then like, subscribe, whatever, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So goodbye, guys. Goodbye.